This graph shows a perfect upward equity curve from a simulated strategy, but when it goes live, the actual balance plummets, detaching from the projection. This divergence is the dirty secret. Tutorials teach basic syntax, ignoring the brutal forces that destroy live algorithms. The language behind these automations is MQL4. It's purpose-built for the MetaTrader 4 platform, allowing traders to create custom indicators, batch operation scripts for maintenance, and fully automated expert advisors. General-purpose languages operate in safe, isolated environments. MQL4 connects directly to live tick-by-tick price feeds and manages open positions across remote broker servers in real time. Because the syntax looks straightforward, especially if you know C++, traders fall into a common trap. They write a strategy, click compile, get 0 errors, and assume their system is ready.
A professional developer focuses on engineering an architecture that survives the turbulence of a real-world market, a much higher requirement than simply making the code compile. There are 3 main reasons these amateur systems fail. The first is the amnesia problem, formerly known as a failure of state persistence. MetaTrader 4 stores variables purely in RAM. If your virtual server restarts or your broker pushes a routine update on the weekend, the system's memory is instantly wiped clean. This is catastrophic for a complex strategy tracking a basket of open trades. After a server reboot, the EA wakes up completely unaware that those positions even exist. Professional systems avoid this by writing their state to hard files or global variables. When the EA turns back on, it reads that file and recovers its context perfectly upon initialization. The second production killer is the massive execution gap between simulated backtesting and live deployment. The strategy tester creates an illusion of perfection by using historical data with 0 friction, meaning no delays, no rejections, and perfect pricing every time. On the left, we have the tight, static bid and ask prices typical of a backtest. On the right, live reality shows spreads widening massively, orders experiencing slippage, and brokers issuing requotes during news events. An 80% win rate in a backtest is meaningless if the code lacks the dynamic logic to absorb real-time market friction without breaking. The final production killer is environmental rejection, caused by broker-specific edge cases. No 2 brokers operate identically. They return different error codes, enforce unique stop levels, and handle pending orders differently during high volatility. An expert advisor with rules hard-coded for one specific broker's environment will fail silently and catastrophically when moved to another. Production-grade code must continuously validate broker constraints before every single order modification, ensuring the logic remains compatible with the server's specific rules. Memorizing MQL4 syntax takes a few weeks, but mastering these production killers takes years of expensive live market trial and error. While AI tools can generate MQL4 code that compiles, they lack the domain knowledge required to handle live execution and broker constraints. 40% of professional development work is now dedicated to code rescues, fixing abandoned, AI-generated, or poorly built EAs that failed under real market conditions. Attempting to cut corners with automated code generators or amateur freelancers results in live market losses that far exceed the cost of professional development. If your goal is a long-term programming hobby, learning the syntax is the correct path. However, traders with capital on the line should spend their time on strategy research rather than deciphering broker connection errors. For 14 years, Barmenteros FX has specialized in building EAs with proper state persistence, error handling, and crash recovery. Visit Barmenteros FX to review our professional development guide and request a free fixed-price quote to automate your strategy. Engineer your system to survive the realities of the live market and protect your profitable trading strategy.